My experience with Abacus Plumbing over the last few years has been extraordinary. I am a homeowner, first time homeowner, and also a father and a husband. I've had several experiences where I have younger children, 7 years old and 10 years old, where we would have incidents or issues where they would like to do things and that they involve the toilet or means of plumbing. I decided to call up to Abacus to get their services. There was a technician that was able to come out the next day on a Saturday and come out and help explain to me what was happening. Not only did he help me clear the drain line, but he was able to take a camera inside the system and show me that the my drain trap wasn't properly built, and he gave me some options to help rebuild that. Also gave me some tips and tricks to try to avoid this from happening again in the future. Abacus has definitely changed my life. It's definitely helped me in times where I was in a pinch. I would recommend them to anyone looking for service, whether it's an emergency on the weekend, if you have small children, or if you decide to put things down the drain or in the toilet that you shouldn't. They're on time, they're professional, they're courteous, they're veteran friendly, and I would recommend them any day, all day.
Abacus Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical. You can count on us.